In today's episode, we have a comment from Mrs. Foreman 300. Tina's going to read it off really quick, and then we're going to answer your question. We appreciate you. If you want to be featured on the show, just leave a comment on the end of the videos.
Ms. Foreman 300 asks, "Hello, thanks for sharing. What spray, plastic cover, and dollies should I purchase for the throne chairs?"
This is Eddie's question. He's the one who does all the throne chairs repairs, our in-house graffiti artist.
Yeah, so for the spray paint, what you're going to want to use, usually they're gold or silver, so you're going to use metallic. Rust-Oleum makes a product for that. And then also for the vinyl, if it's white, you're going to use a white vinyl spray, Rust-Oleum as well. For plastic covers, when we're transporting, we just use shrink wrap. It works very well, keeping the dust off and not getting scratched up. And then for the dollies, you can go to Harbor Freight, get a four-wheel dolly, or a hardwood dolly, a better one, from a moving company.
So how'd you figure all this out?
Trial and error.
Yeah. Wasn't your dad like a carpenter or something like that?
Yeah, we did furniture repair for a couple furniture companies, and he's kind of taught me a couple tricks of the trade and little things that you would think that's really difficult, but it's really easy to do.
Yeah, I remember one time you had a piece of tape, and somehow you made the whole thing disappear, like it was like a cut, like someone was stabbing into it.
Yeah, that was pretty tricky. So, yeah, it's kind of, if you've taped in bed and done like drywall, it's the same kind of thing. If you have a hole in the wall, you just put something in the back and build up layers to make it even with the rest of the vinyl.
Yeah. So for us, you can get any of these chairs at Chisel Perfection.
Yeah.
We'll throw the web page up or link somewhere, so you can get that taken care of. And I know some people are asking, why do you need this right here? You just replace it when it, once it's finished and stuff like that. So like, why does someone need to have this repair stuff? Why do they need the covers? Why do they need the dollies?
Well, basically the longer, one thing, any kind of rental item, the longer you can keep it, going out, the more money you can make. Yeah, you could replace it, but instead of replacing, you can get another one to make even more money. So the longer that they stay in the inventory, the better. And sometimes they're just little minor things that just need to be touched up. So yeah, with the throne chair, it's a centerpiece of everybody's party. So you just want to make sure it looks nice.
Yeah, I know for us, we got like a couple of throne chairs that we're about to sell and replace. I know one time you've actually sold it locally for almost the same price that we got it from our vendor. And I'm pretty sure, hoping we can do that the same thing this time too.
Yeah, I already got a buyer on the one, so actually today. So we're good.
So we'll get that replaced. Do they have it in stock?
Oh yeah, they do have it in stock. I just talked to her yesterday.
Okay, so yeah, if you all reach out to Chisel Perfections, Ruby, they deliver all across the United States. I don't know if they deliver in Puerto Rico or stuff like that, but if you're in Puerto Rico or Canada, I do believe they do in Canada. I think a couple people are in there.
Yeah.
But for the most part, that's the question. If you want to get your questions answered, just post it down in the comments. We're going to be looking down there and scouring down through there. As you see, we're posting more consistently. So we appreciate you guys. And also check out the ultimate checklist if you haven't already. I know we pushed it a lot, but you need to look at it if you're starting a business. If you need help more precisely, look at the consulting. Just look at the links down below to help you out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Xavier Kelly.
I'm Eddie Sauceda.
And we'll see you in the next one.
See you.